Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add web browsing capability to Claude using Puppeteer MCP. One of the most useful MCP, Model Context Protocol servers you can add to Claude is the Puppeteer MCP server. Puppeteer is a browser automation framework that allows Claude to interact with web pages through an MCP server. Once configured correctly, Claude can perform browser-based tasks such as opening websites, navigating between pages, extracting information, filling forms, taking screenshots, and interacting with web content, all through the MCP interface. To enable this functionality, you'll need to add the official Anthropic Puppeteer MCP server to Claude's desktop configuration. This process involves editing Claude's configuration file, adding the Puppeteer server configuration, and then restarting Claude so it can load the new MCP server. The first step is to open your terminal. Once the terminal is open, run the command that opens or edits the Claude desktop configuration file. This configuration file contains the list of MCP servers that Claude loads each time it starts. After running the command, the configuration file will open in your default text editor. Inside the configuration file, locate the section where MCP servers are defined. If there are already existing MCP servers, you should see them listed inside the configuration block. The next step is to obtain the official Anthropic Puppeteer MCP server package. Copy the official Puppeteer MCP server configuration exactly as provided in Anthropic's documentation. Return to the Claude desktop configuration file and paste the Puppeteer server configuration inside the appropriate MCP server section or brackets alongside your other configured MCP servers. Be careful to preserve the formatting of the configuration file. Adding extra commas, deleting brackets, or placing the server configuration in the wrong location can prevent Claude from loading any MCP server successfully. After the Puppeteer server configuration has been added, save the configuration file. Saving the file ensures that Claude will load the new MCP server the next time it starts. Once the configuration has been saved, completely close Claude. Then launch Claude again. Restarting the application causes Claude to reload its desktop configuration and initialize the newly added Puppeteer server. If everything has been configured correctly, the Puppeteer MCP server will become available and Claude will be able to perform browser-related tasks through that MCP integration. It is important to understand that Puppeteer itself is not built directly into Claude. Instead, Claude communicates with the Puppeteer MCP server, which controls the browser on Claude's behalf through the Model Context Protocol. Some common tasks made possible by the Puppeteer MCP server include opening web pages, navigating websites, reading page content, taking screenshots, filling out forms, clicking buttons, automating repetitive browser tasks, extracting information from websites. Common reasons why the Puppeteer MCP server may fail to load include incorrect configuration formatting, missing or incomplete server configuration, using an outdated Puppeteer package, saving the configuration incorrectly, forgetting to restart Claude after making changes. A common mistake many users make is pasting the Puppeteer configuration outside the MCP server section of the configuration file, which prevents Claude from recognizing it. Another common mistake is editing the configuration correctly but forgetting to save the file before reopening Claude. Some users also restart only their terminal instead of restarting Claude, which means the updated MCP configuration is never loaded. To summarize, adding web browsing capability to Claude using the Puppeteer MCP server begins by opening your terminal and running the command to edit the Claude desktop configuration file. Once the configuration file opens, locate the section where MCP servers are defined and paste the official Anthropic Puppeteer MCP server configuration into the appropriate location while preserving the file's formatting. After saving the configuration, completely restart Claude so it reloads the updated MCP settings and initializes the new Puppeteer server. Once configured successfully, the Puppeteer MCP server extends Claude's capabilities by allowing it to interact with web browsers through the Model Context Protocol. This enables browser automation tasks such as visiting websites, navigating pages, extracting information, taking screenshots, and interacting with web content, making Claude significantly more powerful for workflows that require controlled access to browser-based resources. And that's how to add web browsing capability to Claude using the Puppeteer MCP server. By correctly updating Claude's desktop configuration with the official Anthropic Puppeteer server, saving your changes, and restarting the application, you can enable powerful browser automation features and expand what Claude can accomplish through MCP. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.